Getting bug reports is an essential part of maintaining production software, especially when these reports are about security issues. These bug reports might contain reproduction steps or screenshots. However, setting up a full working demo can take days or even weeks. These bugs might require you to set up servers, install pentest tools, or even run Python scripts. Let's face it, reproducing security bugs is a pain. Until now. Introducing BugPoC. BugPoC is a platform for security professionals to build and share proof of concepts. If your bug report contains a BugPoC link, you can rest assured that your developers will be able to reproduce the issue instantly without any overhead or confusion. This means the issue gets fixed much faster. Front-end code is hosted and rendered for you. Raw HTTP requests are repeated straight from the browser, and Python code is run with a single click. Give your developers actionable bug reports. Insist that your bug reports include BugPoC.